generations from Coltrane to Stevie. No one could stop the winds of change. Doubting where would we be? The Duke and the press were there before. The best you can't ignore. The torch is lit, will keep the flame, and the melody remains to stay. Ba, ba, ba. Just